All right, Ngobo 2010 sharp eye. For you, how do you feel about the game namhlanje?
No, the game was very easy before it played because it was 0-0. But when the game played, almost Sundowns first half, they've got 4 yellow cards. 4 yellow cards. That was supposed to send a message to a Kaizer Chiefs bench. You understand? So that they know that Sundowns defense is under pressure. Let us second half put more pressure so that we can press more. They will make, obviously they will make more mistakes. They will make more mistakes. So the other thing.
What do you think about the Kaizer Chiefs back four? Like about Msimang?
No, today I was impressed about my defense. Honestly, today I was impressed about my defense. I was not impressed about my midfield, my attacking midfield. You understand? Because first half we didn't play at all. There was no goal or target. Nothing. Yes, we pressed until Sundowns got almost 4 yellow cards. That 4 yellow card was supposed to play on our advantage.
And then we pressurized them.
We pressurized them second half. Then obviously there's going to be mistakes. But at the end of the day, we lose the game because of our coach. They think slowly. So obviously, but we are coordination. We congratulate Mamelodi Sundowns. It's not the first time we play Sundowns. We play Sundowns all the time. We beat them when the coach was still beat. So then
long time ago.
Yeah, but we are no longer improving. Since from that we are not improving.
No, true. No, thank you very much, my brother.
Cheers.
Hopefully next time.
Yeah.